Hello guys, Coder Boy Jaival here. In this video I will tell you how you can take a screenshot in Windows 7, 8, 10 or 11. So let's start the video. But before starting it, I would like to tell you that if you have not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe it. Press the bell icon and hit the like button. So let's start the video. So first, let's see how to take screenshot in Windows 7. To take screenshot in Windows 7, just press the print screen key on your keyboard. You can also see the image of that key on your screen. Just press this, and now after pressing it, just open Paint. So let's open here Paint. So guys, now you can see Paint is open. Now here just click on this paste button. So now you can see that screenshot we have taken. After pressing the print screen key, it has came here. So now let's take some other screenshots. For example, I am opening this file explorer. Let us take a screenshot of this. Now let's paste this. So you can see that it has successfully pasted here and the screenshot is changed. So now if you want to save this in PNG or JPG any type, just press Ctrl and S here. So after pressing Ctrl S, just locate the directory where you want to save this. So I name here it screenshot and click on save button, and now close it. So now you can see that that screenshot is saved in PNG format here. So now let's see how we can take a screenshot in Windows 8, 8.1 and 10.
So guys, now I am back on Windows 10 system. So let's continue our screenshot video. So to take screenshot in Windows 8, 8.1 and 10, there's a same method in every Windows, and you can try this on Windows 11 if you are using the insider version of it. So now let's test this. To take the screenshot on Windows 8, 8.1, 10 and 11, just press the print screen key and the Windows key along with it simultaneously. So let's do it. So now you can see there's a flicker screen over there on my PC. So that means the screenshot is been taken. So now let's see where is the directory located. So to get the directory of it, just open File Explorer and go to this PC and go to Pictures, and there will be folder created screenshots. So you can see that the screenshot we have taken. So now let's take a screenshot again. So you can see that the screenshot 2 is also been added. So guys, I tell you that it is I have not downloaded any software for this. It is without software. It's a Windows feature. So that's all in this video, guys. I would like to tell you that if you have not yet visited my website, its name is appkhazana.com, and if you want to visit it, its link is also given in description box. So please visit it. Here you can get latest apps, games and web apps. You can download and use it for free. So that's all in this video, guys. Goodbye.